social media management tools are super useful. They allow you to manage and post on all your social media accounts from one place. But with so many tools out there, it's hard to decide which tool is best for you to use. Today I'm going to be showing you the best tools that are available and breaking down which tools are best for your individual situation. So as I mentioned, I'm going to be showing you the best social media management tools that you can use, and I'm going to be breaking it down into 3 separate categories. We're going to go over the best budget option. Second, I'm going to go over the best option for those managing a lot of social media accounts. And finally, I'm going to go over the best option for monitoring your social media's analytics. So first up, the best budget option. So for the best budget option, we have Buffer. Buffer is a great budget option because it actually offers a free plan that allows you to post up to 10 posts on 3 different social media accounts. Then if you want to get more posts per week, plans start at just $5 per channel per month. Plus with Buffer, you do get some analytics and you can see things like the demographics of your audience and analyze your campaigns. Buffer is a perfect option for individuals or small businesses that are looking to post on multiple social media accounts from one place at an affordable price. So next up, we're going to be going over the best option for those managing a lot of social media accounts. The best option for this category is Hootsuite. Hootsuite lets its users schedule multiple social media posts in advance, and it shows you the best times to post for the best amount of engagement. Hootsuite offers different plans: the professional plan, the team plan, the business plan, and the enterprise plan. As you go up in each plan, Hootsuite gives you more analytics and more amount of posts. The professional tier is great for those managing up to 10 accounts. And then the team tier is built for those with small teams. So 3 users can actually manage up to 20 total social media accounts. The team, business, and enterprise plans all come with advanced analytics for all your social media accounts. While the higher tier plans are more expensive, the additional analytics that you get from each of these plans are super useful for those who run businesses where the majority of their marketing comes from social media. Another great aspect of Hootsuite is it's super easy to integrate with other apps and platforms. This is super useful for those who use multiple platforms for posting and making social media posts, and it allows you to switch between these different apps and tools very quickly and seamlessly. Lastly, we have the best option for analytics. The best option for analytics is Sprout Social. Sprout Social is a great option, but also a little pricey, with its lowest plan being $89 per month. But with that steeper price comes unlimited posts and tons of analytic tools. However, the standard plan does restrict the user to 5 social media accounts. Sprout Social's most popular plan is the professional plan, which is $149 per month. This plan allows users to post on 10 social media sites, and you get tons of analytics for each of those sites, such as tools to help you find the best hashtags and a response rate analysis tool. Then you also have the advanced plan, which comes in at $249 a month. But with that, you gain access to automated social chat bots, digital content libraries, and link tracking. And like I mentioned, Sprout Social is great for analytics, as users can set demographic and geographic measurements to measure how the content is working with their followers. Sprout Social also allows you to monitor keywords to allow you to be notified when your brand or business is mentioned. So I hope this video helped you gain a little bit more insight into some of the best options for social media management tools. Links to each of the social media management tools that I've mentioned in this video will be in the description, so you can easily go look at them for yourself. And lastly, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube video. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you are notified when we post. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you want to watch more content, we have 2 awesome videos right here. Thank you so much.